red.
Zeke, behind you, behind you, behind you.
What happened here?
Tranquilo.
Eso.
Abre. Tierra.
Can you hold your earrings?
Let me take my watch off.
Yeah. I thought it was earrings.
That's right. I got it.
Zeke, behind you, Zeke, behind you, left side.
And who's there to rebound that? Wow.
Está mejor ahora.
There you go. Nice.
Nice.
Hey, shoot.
Oh,
Oh,
a la mujer. Oh! Damn.
good try, good try. La próxima.
Good idea. Play that goalie. Play that goalie. There you go, Alex. Nice. Help him out. Oh, I guess not. Wait, where did Ezekiel go? Oh, what happened? Nothing. Good job, goalie.
Relax.
Ooh. Whoa. There you go.
Que no voltee.
Ooh, nice. Oh.
Good job, guys.
Nice. Oh. Árbitro!
Hey, hey.
Hey!
Guys can shoot in the
Yeah, I guess so. They said no last week. Dile que sí pueden patear del cuadro de adentro. A tu sobrino.
You can,
Ángel,
guys.
puedes patear de adentro.
De-
Adentro
Puedes
de la
patear de
caja.
adentro.
Sí, ya nos dijeron que sí, de la caja blanca. So he could have took that shot. There you go. Get out of there, Zeke. Get out. Nice.
Run with it, run with it, run with it.
Ooh, nice. Huh? Yeah. The guys can shoot from the square. Hey. Hey, you should have been ready. El árbitro acaba de decir que sí. De la caja blanca. Y la caja no. Woo!
Nice, Israel.
Hey, this guy said you can't shoot from the box.
Ref.
Hey, árbitro.
Árbitro. Árbitro. ¿Está dentro de la caja? ¿Sí o no?
¿Los hombres pueden patear de dentro de la caja? Ok. Dijo que sí.
Sí. Todos los hombres solo dentro de la caja.
Ok, la semana pasada nos
fuera de
dijeron
la
que no,
línea.
por eso
O
estamos clarificando.
detrás de la línea.
Sí.
¿Ok?
Ok. Y el punto no está arriba, el que acabamos de hacer.
Árbitro, no marcaste el gol.
Ok.
Got left, got left, got left.
Oh, good try, good try.
Go ahead, Angel. Go ahead, Angel.
Nice. Oh, come on, Jerka. Don't give up. There we go.
Yeah, good. Stay there, que no voltee.
Oh. Go up, help her out.
Come on, Angel.
Oh, come on. Will. Take those shots.
Trotando, bajando, trotando.
Yeah, that is. He needs grip on those gloves. All right.
Go, inside.
Who's Angel sub? Nice. Good job, Pablo. Good try. Oh, come on, Angel. Yeah, who, Angel? Who's going in for him? Not the, ooh, man.
Good.
No, they're right here.
We do?
Well, what's that? There we go. Help her out!
Pressure.
Play that goalie.
Good.
Mark up, let's go. Stay with him. Ooh, good job, Israel. Good job, goalie. Easy. Well, hey. Oh. There we go.
Stay there, stay.
Nice.
¡Hey, cambio! ¡Si estás caminando! What's that guy's name? The tall guy.
I don't know. Angel and him probably could sub out. What's his name? Oh,
Te
nice.
quedes viendo,
It wasn't. He just made it look like one low. The guys can shoot from the square. I don't know which square he's talking about. Whatever he's saying. Is it the big square?
Pégale.
Hey, who we subbing out of these guys?
Somebody check in.
There we go.
Watch middle. Get out there.
Get it out, Will.
I don't know. Pablo, ¿tú jugaste por tu hermano la semana pasada? Cuando él salía, ¿tú entrabas? Okay.
Cúbrela.
There you go. Nice.
Acérquense. Hey.
Mark up, mark up.
Haz for the ball.
Mark up.
Yo, 10.
Sub.
Wait.
Hey. Get some rest. Be ready to go back in. Oh, wow.
Hey, allá.
Okay, nice. Oh, come on, Will.
Which one?
Good job, Angel. There you go. He ain't gonna call that. Took him long enough. Wow. Payback. They had said no shooting inside the box, and today he said there is shooting in the box. Yeah. Well, this guy changed the rules. Well, he said you could. Last week we weren't allowed to. This week they are. So I guess you just have to ask the ref. Because we asked him in red, he said, no, you can't shoot from the box.
Go.
All the way.
Send it.
Good job, Jerica. Oh, casi la agarra.
Miguel, cambio. Go in. San Pablo in.
Sacó.
Jacob. Cambio.
Go forward. Hurry up.
Well, hey, where's the Gatorade? Where's the Gatorade? Are you guys gonna be just letting people sub in whenever they feel like it, in and out? 'Cause- well, they're not. Nobody's subbing out.
Will, don't do that. There's a right player. He's a goal. Don't do that. Good job. No, you shouldn't.
Hey. Who's going in for him? Because we got another player over here also. Oh, nice.
Make sure you trust.
Más estás un ratito.
Quédate con él. Que se quede con él.
Good job, Jericho. Arbol, good job, Arbol. Will, spread out. No, let Jericho kick it spread out.
Will, come forward. Come on.
Don't look like a player.
Man, what the?
Van ganando 2-1.
Pero se puede meter.
Well, he just finished coming from a game, so he
Eso.
could.
Es que ya están defendiendo mucho.
Nice. Good job, goalie. Hold it. There you go.
Sí, es tuyo, es tuyo.
Who still needs to play?
There you go, Jimmy, good job.
Is it 2 halves of 25?
No, I think this might be the whole thing. Last week it was.
¡Hey!
Oh, nice.
Nice, Alex. Good pressure.
Go, Jimmy, that's you.
Switch, switch, switch.
Go, Gali, go, Gali.
Portero.
Yeah, kid. Nice.
Good job, good job.
¿Cómo se llama él?
Jacob.
Dile que puede patear de la caja. De la...
Ya sabes.
Ah, ok.
No shot, no shot.
Okay, good.
Por atrás. Cállate y te hace falta.
Oh, wow.
One, just one.
¿Ya viste lo que le hizo Jacob allá? Jacob se le metió así, pero él lo aventó duro.
Sí,
Juega,
bueno.
juega duro él, así juegan ustedes. Todos tienen que jugar duro. Que sientan que están ahí, porque si no.
Dribble, dribble. Sí. Corre por ella.
Help her out.
Stay with.
Párate. Stay there.
Es suyo, ahí quedó ya. Sí,
Oh,
no
whatever.
pitado, si no pita no va.
Dale.
We're good.
Mejor.
Meran.
Hold it.
Nice. Oh.
One.
There you go. Nice.
Step.
Muchacho el otro.
Nice.
Ahí está el otro muchacho.
Good job, Jericho.
Hey.
¿Cómo atrás?
¿Quién va a entrar?
¿Quién?
Sí.
¿Para quién? ¿Para Jimmy?
Por este pidió cambio.
Oh, okay. All right.
Sí.
Mira.
Nice.
Sí.
All right. Oh, come on. There you go, Zeke. Come on. There you go. Hold
Párate,
it there, hold
párate.
it there.
Sí, páratele.
Agárrala.
Buena.
Oh, whatever. Jimmy, sub. You can go? Okay. Oh, nice. There we go.
Ahí quedó.
Right.
Abran.
Oh,
Esto es muy pegriloso.
good job, goalie.
Bring it down.
Ahí está. Así, pum. Pégale. Jacob, pégale.
Buena.
Nice, good step.
There you go,
Push.
Jacob, arriba.
Ahí quedó.
Ooh, good job, Jimmy. Take that shot. Take that shot.
Al centro, al centro.
Ya ven que sí se puede. Toma.
Complaining she getting scratched and beat up. Yeah.
I would be like, it would like stick to me.
Amparo, when she was younger, she would play with her hair loose like a horse. Because it was real straight. So it just, oh, did you-
¡Ey, señor!
Hey, get
¡Échale
him
una
away from her.
tarjeta!
¡Sáquenle la lengua!
Ya está, ya está.
Let me see. I'm going.
Ya, ya, ya. Señor, sácale la roja. Hey. ¿Por qué los dejas entrar así? Jefe, ¿por qué los dejas entrar así? Ahí está, jefe, sácale la roja. Dile al árbitro. Árbitro, habla con tu suplente. Ahorita lo van a correr.
Valerie, you good?
Anything water Gatorade, anything? Be ready when one of the girls needs a sub. Hey, this is that team that does
Ya
that.
lo hubiera sacado, señor.
Ese es el equipo que eso
Tiene que
hace.
estar aquí ya.
This is the same team that does that. No, they ain't gonna push the guy. They can't.
Good job,
There
good
we go.
job.
You got Alex.
Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Oh, muy bien, muy bien. Jacob.
Good check, good check,
Oh,
good check.
mete esta Angel.
Jacob. Vete.
Cambio.
Jacob, vente. Duro, ya no traen.
Échale para abajo. All right. Oh, no salió. Tienes que esperarlo. Ciérrale. Está listo para entrar cuando él venga. So de la
Just
caja
one, just one.
puedes tomar el gol. Nice, good job, Alex.
Sí.
Ooh, good try.
Y quedó.
Jacob. Come on.
Where is he? Es que ellos saben caerse, por eso.
Quédate ahí,
Ese es el
quédate ahí,
equipo
quédate
que
ahí.
eso hace. There you go. Nice.
¿Cómo se llama? Ese que se queda ahí en medio, ese 10. It's okay. Just one. Ya no tiene ya. Where are you? Behind you. Ángel, en la caja.
This team's always played like that. Slamming girls, and especially this one that's right here waiting to go in with the short hair.
Keep going.
Ya que no la agarre, que no la baje.
There you go, nice.
Come on, Mencho.
Oh.
Está bien, next. La siguiente.
Otra vez.
Vamos, agárrala. Ayúdale. Come on. Good job, come on. Así igual, pégale. Se va a venir aquí. Ahora. Tranquilo. Todo. Carla.
Nice. There we go. Oh, this player is the slam girls too.
Yeah.
Number 9. Good job, Alex.
Here está.
Nothing. See? Come on.
Come on.
Tied up 3.
Pídela, Ángel.
Good job. Good pass, Father.
Que no la baje.
Nice.
Relax. Ya lo viste. Right there. Good job. Paro.
Middle. Before the line. Oh. That's all right, he got it.
Hey, trotando, Ángel, trotando.
Ya está cansado para cambiarlo.
Pídala, abre aquí.
Oh.
¿Cucú?
Sí, pero dice que es nosotros. Oh, is it? I thought he was saying it's ours.
Ahí, párate.
There you go.
Good job. No.
He threw himself. Se deja de inventar.
Haciendo el salto. Just one. Ahí.
Watch, he has to pass back.
Ahí está. Just right there. Una. Tú, Amparo, tú. Muy bien.
Not the way, ref.
Relájate, relájate. Ahí está.
Sure it is.
Regrésasela. ¡Eh!
3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Better pass it.
Tranquilo, tranquilo.
Nice.
Abran.
Watch back.
Open up.
Push it, Will. Watch that.
Ahí está. Ahí quédate.
We got 2 minutes.
Keep possession.
Go to the corners, man.
Oh, nice.
Ya. Señor.
Rush that, Miguel. Rápido, come on.
Oh, nice. Ya mero.
Ahí está. Come on. Ahora sí. Dásela. ¡Sube!
Our ball. Árbitro! Oh, I didn't see they stopped the time. No, they didn't. Yeah, but we're tied up right now. That's why they're killing the time. Get in there.
Relax. Give it to her. Dásela a ella.
Nothing.
Al piso, Ira. Al piso.
No, wow.
Come on.
Miguel, in the box,
Oh, good try.
Come on, regresa.
Rush it.
¡Eh!
Yeah.
¡Ey! ¡No lo dejen! ¡Ey! ¡No lo dejes que saque! ¡Ya se acabó el tiempo! ¡No lo dejes que saque! ¡Vete, Injo! ¡Vete, Injo!
Get tired. Send it.
Nice. Oh, come on.
Rush it, Jerry.
Good job, Jericho. Come on. Good job.
Middle. You got Amparo. There you go.
Shoot it.
Take it up. You got
Come on,
time.
Miguel.
Get up there. Help him out. Oh, looks like he's speeding it up, damn it.
That goalie's real arrogant. That's why.
Yeah.
¿Speak Spanish?
No.
Para atrás. No puede jugar en este equipo. Ella jugó ahorita con ustedes
Ajá.
y anteriormente jugó con un equipo de delanteros.
Ella no juega con solo mujeres. Apenas llegamos a las 9.
I'm a girl.
He's saying that you can't play with 2 different teams, that you played another girls team. Si miras las cámaras, nosotros no llegamos hasta las antesito de las 9 porque él nos dijo que el juego empezaba a las 9:15. So llegamos antesito de las 9:15, como para las 9:08.
That other girl played on
So-
2 teams.
La otra muchacha sí jugó 2 otros equipos.
Entonces trae entonces una idéntica ella. porque-
Pues a lo mejor, pero ella no. El otro equipo sí
Sí.
jugó.
Perdón, justamente le estaba diciendo al Manuel que la chica con blanco y azul del número 25, 25, esa sí jugó con los dos.
Ok,
Entonces, me
so,
pareció
si
que-
esa va a ser regla, tiene que
Sí,
ser para todos, pero nosotros, si ustedes miran las cámaras, pueden ver a qué horas entramos.
I was gonna say she barely got here.
Entonces,
Yeah, I don't
por eso digo,
even-
a lo mejor, si es que ella no fue, es
You
una
wouldn't be able to
persona
tell with the hair.
superidéntica, ¿sí?
Bueno, puede ser.
Pero por si acaso. ¿Qué?
¿Qué equipo dicen que juega?
I'm not
Ella
allowed to
jugó
play
en
on
el
two teams
anterior
here.
de mujeres.
But
But I don't.
but we're like, she barely.
Somebody was saying that I did.
Cuando estaban de amarillo.
I was saying that other girl on the other
Pero si
team.
nos dicen qué equipo es,
That
pues
girl
venir a
just played a
mirarlas y vas a
game.
ver que el equipo y ella se puede hacer dos.
That girl just played a game.
Casi igual.
You know the
Yeah. Oh, the iguanas, right?
yeah.
I was saying that you played with the yellow team that was playing over there. I told you no, we didn't. I said we got here at 9:08. You can see the cameras.
You're gonna
Yeah.
go
Remember she
forward.
said
like just chill in that box so they could just like
That's why I was
Yeah,
so
they
cool.
have cameras.
Yeah.
I was so confused.
Look at the camera.
That other girl played on that team.
That's
She,
right.
and she had the white shirt with them too.
Okay.
indoor and then yeah. Hitting it against the wall. I'm learning.
But yeah, what did he say was
You too. Jonathan's gonna sell you 6. He's gonna sell you 6, but I need your number.
oh, I should have. Who is it? Once I was pushing that girl right here, I'm like, is he gonna call me? And he did it. I was like, oh, hell yeah. Yeah, one of them. They were. I heard them say on the side. Like crazy.
Look, my eyes keep on.
I didn't. Yeah, I see. I don't think I got slammed or anything. Oh, that's a good block.
No, dude, that girl with not the short one, the kind of taller one. She kept grabbing Ako, Miguel when they
Yeah.
started doing better than her. She's like,
Yeah, she was going like this, and I was like,
and then she kicked it away from the guy that Alex brought. And I was like,
Yeah.
bro, throw it at her head, please.
I know. She was grabbing me a little bit, and then I was like, oh,
After
that's how she
would
wants to
grab you,
play.
She would go,
I didn't know that.
and I was like, every
Did some
time
really good
she would finish grabbing you guys,
Thanks.
she would go.
How about your sister? What injured her?
He stepped on her heel and like,
Gio?
I don't know, some long-haired guy. Like
Oh,
he stepped
him.
on. She turned around to block the ball from him, so he stepped here and like slammed into her. So she hurt.
So she okay.
Yeah, she hurt her like
I
ankle
thought she
area.
scraped herself.
No, I knew it was an accident, kind of.
Was it though?
I don't know. I'm not sure. He was mad already because he was in Israel's face already. So I'm just like, So I think he did that out of whatever anger he had towards Israel. That's why I'm like, if you're mad at somebody, hit the person you're mad at, not someone else.
Yeah.
Like, that's what I would do. If someone on your other team did something, then I'm gonna go hit the littlest girl.
Right.
Jump the ball. I'm not gonna lie, I hit all foot.
That little one came.
Which one?
Like, girl, I hit all
I know, I saw it go
foot.
behind
felt
you. I was like,
bad.
I'm gonna check.
I did a jerk up play, dude. Because I thought she was gonna,
Yeah, you jumped like
Dude,
straight.
I thought Ziggy had. I was like, yes, he got that. And then when he was like,
I
bro.
slowed down. I should have kept running. Who?
short guy.
Which one? They're all short to you. They're all tall to me.
No, the tiny guy, the wavy guy, the guy with the long hair.
Oh yeah, the one with the.
The one that was talking to Israel?
It's because he plays on a higher division.
The one that was talking to
He
Israel?
plays on a real good division. So
Yeah.
when we were like stopping him,
Yeah, he was getting mad.
The one that was talking to Captain
Yeah.
Israel? Oh, I thought you guys were talking about you. I was like, you did nothing.
dude, I thought Israel was gonna beat him up. Though.
I know.
I'm like, Israel
But
could tear that guy up.
no, Israel was calm. You could tell he
How
was
much
just
is
standing
it?
there like,
6.
what the heck, man?
Nothing.
Oh. I can mute it because I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. What just happened? Yeah, Lily. Ah, that was. Chuckle. Yes, I see. I'm gonna have to mute this because of the
Music.
yeah.
So whoever scores is goalie. Because he scored now, he went into the goalie box.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Guessing that's how they
I get whose shoes are all of these?
do. Lily, he can't fix you. He went to go complain to the wrong person.
Who?
This little kid. He went to go tell Lily, oh, my shoulder's sick.
Yeah.
I know. I was asking, he's like, hey, Lily, don't play. I'm like, no, this time.
It's because we both get mad.
We need anger in there.
No, not her mouth. They don't even need my mouth in there. Yeah, squish him. Yeah, Lele. Look at her, just plop her foot in there. Watch. Yeah! shit. Hit Pablo in the stomach.
So you have to put your own music to it.
Basically. Don't let it go! Oh no, Andres. I don't know, but someone's down. Lily helping him up.
Don't injure our players.
I know.
Andres came out with the whistle.
Yeah. I'm not used to this. Look at Andres hobble away. He's like, that's it. So that's it for me.
I would say so when we know Israel ain't gonna be goalie this time.
I'm gonna go blow up a
Wait. The way he says things. Blow
That
up a
was messed
toilet.
up when they hit him in the back of the head with the ball.
Yeah, I
After
know.
he scored or after...
Yeah. Like, you don't have to.
That's why I feel like he
It
scored
was.
4. 'Cause there was one, was it, I don't know if it was the one that he scored or he passed it to Alex and they scored.
Maybe it was that
The
one.
very first one.
Yeah. I like
You
all
never
my.
took it to the middle.
Ooh.
Made him sit on that one.
Yep.